A very happy new year to everyone 2019. Today I am talking about a very important topic about our social media. Block people and the people who blocking them. From both sides it is a headache. It is a cancer for all the society. So we need to understand first that we the whole social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, and also on Instagram, everywhere people were blocked and were feel discomfort, and by the people who block the people. Usually celebrities are block people, common people, by 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 seeing their comment, which no which is which hit their heart, and due to which reason they block the people. It is a point of view from both of the sides. It can be positive, it can be negative, like everyone has an opinion on commenting whether it will be a positive or it will be a negative. So my suggestion for every celebrity and every common person is, there is no difference between a celebrity and a common man. When someone I will just show you, uh, like this. If I pinch myself, it will hurt me. So like this, every person who blocked or who was forced to block anyone is pinched, and it pain feel by the whole body. So just I want to tell you guys that please, I just want to appeal that please, that the whole globally, the social media, the channels, the governments of the countries have to involve in this and give awareness, using social media to how to tackle this issue, so that the people are not blocked, as it is against the humanity, as it is like a cancer, and it is like a AIDS, because after blocking, because it not only touch your heart, it not only touch it or not only you touch your mind, but also to your soul, and it strike very hard, because the pain which after block, or the person who block will affect on the confidence of the personality, and it builds sometimes positive and sometimes negative, which can may usually, in our society, people become go from the evil side, because after disappointments a person goes towards evil. So my appeal for all of you, that please give awareness from both of the sides, so that the person who give a comment, it can be reviewed by itself, and the person who was blocked, he cannot he must have that situation. So that my best wishes for everyone. So please, start not blocking anyone, because it is very sad story from both of the side, because it is a point of view always. So keep working for the humanity, and be positive, and say no to all those negative elements that hit hard to everyone, and give everyone equal chance, that he can put his uh, point of view to you, and accept if someone criticizes you, because criticism not is made not to not to fight against you, but it is how to and the people who criticize you are actually best friend of you. So please, do not block them, especially celebrities, and give respect to them, and be positive, and be a good personality. So bye, thank you.